Top 5 Best Phone Camera Lens. Number 5. ShiftCam Macro ProLens Kit. Macro lenses kit are great for capturing close-up shots. When working with macro lenses, you can get crisp and clear images that capture even minute detail. This lens kit is perfect for any photography that requires a bit of a close-up. The ShiftCam Macro Pro Lens Kit is compatible with Android and iPhone. However, the Universal Mount version 2.0 works well on almost all smartphones, including even the iPhone 13 series. When it comes to professional quality photography done using a smartphone, the ShiftCam Macro Pro Lens Kit does a great job when used effectively with your smartphone's existing features. The ShiftCam Pro Lens Kit contains 25mm traditional macro lens, 75mm long-range macro lens, universal mount, and travel pouch, making it the best smartphone lens for macro photography on the go. Pros: cost-effective. Great for covering close-up shots. Cons: not suitable for Samsung S9 Plus. The image edges tend to blur. Coming in number 4. Sony DSC-QX10. Sony is one of the best digital camera manufacturers in the world, always developing new technology to make the best photos possible. Now with the DSC-QX10, they have taken the guts from their compact cameras and made them available for use with your smartphone or on its own through Wi-Fi or NFC. The image quality that the QX10 is a noticeable improvement over the standard image that's captured with your smartphone. The lens's 10x zoom offers much better coverage as well. While it may be beyond the budget of many creatives, its versatility and quality are worth the cost. This make it our top pick for the best smartphone lens for professional photographers. Pros: great for close-ups, landscapes and low-light shots. Good design. Amazing picture quality. Cons: delicate build, it's recommended you get a case. Zooming needs improvement. Coming in number 3. Shuttermoon Camera Lens Kit. If you want a smartphone lens kit with the most variety of lenses to play around with, the strong Shuttermoon Camera Lens Kit is the best choice for you. This lens kit comes with fisheye, macro, ultra-wide-angle, telephoto, macro kaleidoscope, circular polarized red filter, and wide-angle blue filter lenses. Even if you're not too familiar with some of them, these lenses can be fun to experiment with for making the most of your images. This kit has 11 different lenses and is available in sets of 5 and 3 as well. And the best part is that it's quite affordable. Each set has its own combination of lenses, so be sure to check out which one suits you best. Pros: good variety. Good price. Different price options. Cons: getting a good shot takes a bit of effort. Focus may be a problem with some of the lenses. Unable to operate with certain phone cases. Coming in number 2. Moment Anamorphic Lens. Moment is one of the best smartphone lens brands, which is why we've included it on this list twice. Like its wide lens, the Moment Anamorphic lens also requires that you have an M-series phone case or the battery photo case to mount it. The anamorphic lens is perfect if you like taking amazing videos from your smartphone. Anamorphic lenses horizontally stretch an image without affecting its vertical length. It produces a widescreen look and also allows for horizontal lens flares. That's why anamorphic lenses are so commonly used in cinema. The raw, classic look is unbeatable. Coming in number 1. Moment Wide Lens. If you want reliable, professional wide-angle shots, go with the Moment Wide Lens. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. You can use this lens with your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or OnePlus phone. Just keep in mind that you'll have to purchase the Moment M series case for your phone to mount the lens properly. Not only is this lens made of aerospace metal and several layers of cinema-grade glass, but it can help you get twice the amount of content in your photos. This makes it great for wide shots of landscape, architecture, and group photos.